Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be doing a unboxing. I just purchased a ring light from Amazon. I wanted to buy this ring light for a very long time, so I finally decided to buy the ring light. To buy the ring light, and I buy the ring light. I couldn't wait on you guys, so I already took it out of the box. Here are the boxes. So this is my new baby. So this is the ring light. It's a 10-inch ring light. It also comes with a remote control. It comes with adjustable part for your camera. So now let's go ahead and attach the ring light to the tripod. So this is a tripod, and I am 5 feet 7 inches. That would be about you can stand flat like this. Careful. And this is how you close it up. So voila, this is the stick. This part can come down a bit more. So this is the tripod, and now I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to attach the ring light to the tripod. This is the first step. I'm going to place it on the ground. Voila. And this part I'm just going to bring it down a little bit so that I can attach the ring light. So you see it has 1, 2, 3, 4 adjustable. Alright, so I'm going to bring it down to this level to attach the ring light. It comes with a little cork, screw, or whatever you call it, on the top of the ring light, on the top of the tripod. And the ring light, it has a little hole here. I'm laughing because it took me about 15 minutes to figure it out, to figure that there was a hole here to attach the ring light to the stand. And then I'm just gonna go like so and attach my ring light to my tripod. Unravel the card. And this part right here, you need to bring it in. Okay, now that you guys can see. This part right here, I'm just going to go ahead and take off this little cap. I'm going to place the cap right here. Like so. Now, I'm going to put the cap first. And then going to put this like so. And screw it on tightly. But be careful not to lose the little card for the screw. So whenever you're traveling, you're going to need this to put it back on here to secure your tripod. And it can rotate left and right, hop up and down if you like, in whatever position you like. So now I'm just going to go ahead and turn on my ring light. It comes with this USB key cable with a little switch on it. So I'm going to branch it to a, I don't know what's the name of this thing here, but you guys know what I'm talking about. And now I'm going to go ahead and turn on my baby. Wow. You see that, guys? This light is so bright. Look at that. This light is so bright. You see the difference? And now I'm just going to go ahead and change the color a little bit. So this is the yellow light. This is how the yellow light is looking. I think it's the best purchase I've ever made so far. And I turned down the yellow light, and you can also turn it back up. This is the white light, I think. But it has whitening light and white light. Whichever one this is. It can be dimmed a little, and it can be brightened. And this is the other option. I think this is the white light, or whichever. One is the lightning and one is the white. I was looking on the menu. And this is the remote control. And this right here, I think it works with your, this is the remote control. Oh. It even comes with a little battery. It even comes with a little battery. So this right here is to operate your phone or whatever device you use, your camera, while it's attached to the ring light. For example, you're sitting down to do a video, you press the on button and then record to take a picture or to do a video. But I'm not going to put in the battery as yet because I'm not going to use it as yet. But this is the remote control. Isn't that wonderful, guys? I can't wait to do this to try it. Really try it. I'm so excited with my purchase. I love this ring light. I absolutely love it. I went live last Friday and I could hardly see myself. So I'm very excited with this purchase and I'm happy. If you guys are new to the channel, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Click on that notification bell and please remember to share this video. It's important, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.